What's up guys, welcome back to Joevestor Trades. My name is Joseph and this is the fourth part to TradingView for beginners. In today's video, I'll cover how to navigate through TradingView's timeframes and what different time frame you should be using for your trading style. If you want to enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading content like this. Also, if you want to be a part of a free trading community where we can talk about any of the stocks you're interested in buying or even hopping into some of my plays, make sure to check out the Discord channel in the description down below. So right here we have TradingView pulled up, and this is going to be a very quick video. I'm just going to show you guys how to navigate through the different time frames and what different time frames you want to be using depending on your trading style. So right here on the top left, we can see that I'm already on the daily time frame, and on the bottom, this is something that you don't really want to be using. I always have it set to all. This shows you pretty much the whole graph time frame for the chart, and if we click back over here and click 1 day, this shows us each candlestick is meant for 1 day. So every day a new candlestick will form on the chart, and right here this will show literally the whole history for the company. So if you want to change the time frame for, let's say, day trading, you may want to use the 3-minute. So right here we'll click on 3-minute, and each candlestick will be 3 minutes worth of data for the stock. And then also, if you want to do, I know some people like to trade on the hour time frame, it'll show up just like this. And if you don't want that background, you can click settings, and right here we'll see extended hours. You can uncheck that. That just shows the after hours pre-market. If you don't want to show that on your chart, you can just you can just uncheck the extended hours to get rid of that. And then another thing that I like that TradingView does is that if you have a few special trading time frames that you like to trade off of, you can just check them like that. Let's say you like to do the daily, the 1 hour, and the 5-minute, and it'll show up right there at the top of your screen. So you can easily swift through the different time frames that you like to trade off of. And just like that, you can also create custom time frames for yourself. So let's say they don't have the 2-minute time frame, but you like to trade off the 2 minutes. You can simply just click here, 2 minutes, and if you click add, you'll see that it wants you to upgrade to premium. Don't do that. It'll give you 30 days free, but I don't recommend paying for anything like this. The point of this is that it's completely free to use, but they have plenty of time frames that you can use that the majority of traders use on a daily basis. So you can just go through here, favorite the ones that you like, and that is simply how to swift through time frames on TradingView and how to use them as well. Also, I mentioned that I'll also explain which time frames you should be using based off your trading style. So if you're a swing trader, you want to be using higher time frames. You can use the 1 day or the 4 hour to analyze your chart. For instance, I see a support line here on pen, so I could just pull out my horizontal ray, map out that support line, and I'm looking to buy pen when it reaches that support line and play a bounce to the upside. That's something simple like that for a swing trade. If you're day trading, then you want to be using, the 1 minute, 3 minute, anything like that to analyze quick moves within the market to buy and sell within the same day. And then if you're scalping, you may want to use the 1 minute, or it just depends on your trading style. As I said before, you could also use the 1 minute for quicker swing trades if you're just trying to swing it to the next day. For instance, we see this breakout on pen. We'll draw our trend line, draw the overhead resistance just like that, and I'll actually adjust the top of it. And just like that, we can see pen was downtrending. Once it broke out, we can go long on the stock right there and play the continuation. So that is time frames in a nutshell. And if you learned anything from this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss the rest of this series.